Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little plastic generation pics video. But this is going to be all my 3D printed plastic gen Beyblades, so... for this one, will be one, Cyber Dranzer. Then number 2 will be Cyber draciel. Three will be Cyber Driger. And number 4 will be, let me get his name. Okay, I got the name for him. It's falborg. That's the name. That's number 4. Wild. This one will be wildfox 2. This will be tryhorn. This will be Hopper, Kenny's Beyblade. His G Revolution Beyblade. So yeah. Hope you guys will join this little small mini tournament. And this is my Beyblade I picked. Of course I will pick him. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.